Please make yourself comfortable in heavenly places. It's a great honor to be in the presence of the Lord, to serve God, to worship Him. God is awesome and God is wonderful. Today, I brought good news for you. The good news of restoration of your luck. That every good opportunity you have had at the past. And sometimes you remember that opportunity, you say, how can this opportunity come? This is the day of restoration of that luck. You rise, every luck that come and manifest in you in your own favor is a divine agent. It's a spirit of God that comes to deliver that. And it has gone. And when you remember that opportunity, it gives you joy and you are wishing, let it come back again. So that luck and that lucking season shall be restored in your life. That lucky moment shall be restored in your life. That lucking season shall be restored in your life. God whom I serve, the God who has made this day and has permitted me to make this declaration, you shall be the most luckiest one this season. You shall be the most luckiest one this season. In business you shall excel. In contract you shall excel. In contact it shall favor you. Connection shall favor you. Good health shall favor you. Good success shall favor you. The Lord will do something new in your life. Your life is blessed. Your career is blessed. Your family is blessed. May God bless your beloved ones, that your beloved one will be a blessing to you. Whatever you see that is good, you shall find. Your enemies shall be disgraced. You will grow above all that wishing you down. You shall succeed in the midst of your enemy. Your flag will flag and flag and flag. You will celebrate all the days of your life. In the name of Jesus Christ, I pray. On this holy season, I make declaration. Wherever they have gathered against you, they will gather for themselves. The evil plans they have against you will return back to them. This holy season will divide your enemies. This holy season will divide your enemies. May the holiness of God frustrate your enemies. May holiness of the presence of God today frustrate your enemies. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Your life is blessed. People celebrate God. Restore